Some internet video company called Innovid. They have interactive video. We think it's a tremendously exciting company. They're doing amazing things. They have built a network of publishers offering really for the first time an interactive video ad unit. It's really exciting what they're doing today on the web, but I think this actually plays to a larger theme in what does internet investing mean. What I personally think is really exciting about Innovid is that in 3 or 4 years, when we're all watching NBC on our Vizio internet-enabled set-top box in the living room, is that TV, is that internet, is it cable, is it, who really cares? The point is it's flash, it's interactive, and Innovid can deliver interactive video ads in that experience. And I don't think we're going to be asking the question, is Innovid an internet company or not? It's just going to be the future of interactive advertising.
We get our own self-promotion minute. So I'll speak about our games company in Germany, which is a company called BigPoint. It is based on virtual goods. It has ARPU for its paying users that's higher than World of Warcraft. Relies no one distributor of its games. It makes up more than 2% of its revenue, so we don't have a reliance on Facebook or any of these other distributors. Cash flow positive. It has some great new games. We've moved the CEO out to the US because we know that ultimately our exit is most likely in the US.
That's right. Anil, you can answer whatever you want.
Well, I like both companies, by the way. And,
buy them.
For the right price.
Yeah, so I don't have a portfolio to advertise, but I, going back to one of your earlier questions, I like this sort of this ability for companies to have orthogonal business models. So whether you're playing in the entertainment space, but you're gathering data about your users, which is deeply insightful, and you can monetize that in a sort of orthogonal way. I love this intersection that Tom spoke about, local, mobile, social. I think that's really exciting. I just love companies that do deep data analytics and know how to mine that and discover trends and insights.
Tom?
It's a little impolitic to single out any one company, but I will say that in the earliest stages, Mark Pincus was kind enough to let us own a little piece of his company, and I like it the best because it's the most fun. Zynga is just a great collection of assets, and the most interesting thing about Zynga is that they're building everything inside. They're not that interested in folding in other product. They think they can do it well themselves, and so far they've proven that. So I like it because I enjoy playing.
What's going to happen with Zynga? Is it going to float on the public market?
I don't think there's any urgency for that in a lot of these companies, for Zynga or anybody else. I think you have to wait for the right opportunity. You might take it public, you might sell it, but I don't think there's any fire lit because the business is growing hand over fist. And if you can continue that growth, why not remain a quite profitable private company?
As we're a new fund, we don't have a portfolio constructed at the moment, but we have made our first investment, which I unfortunately can't disclose what it's about, but it's a little about the financials. It's a bootstrapped company, it's never taken institutional capital, and is already earning millions, and just used the money to grow. So we're excited.
Thank you very much, all of you. See you next year.